The first step to powering on your Acer monitor is locating the physical power button. The location varies depending on your monitor model and age. On most Acer monitors, about 90% of models, you'll find the power button in the bottom right corner. This is the most common placement across their product line. However, ultra-wide and curved models often have the power button located at the bottom center for better accessibility when the monitor is positioned on your desk. Older models from before 2020 may have side-mounted power buttons, while premium models feature modern touch-sensitive controls instead of physical buttons. Once you've located the power button, the next crucial step is ensuring your monitor has proper power connection. Acer monitors use different power connection methods depending on their size and model series. Smaller monitors, typically 24 inches and below, use an external AC adapter. This is a separate power brick that connects to your wall outlet. Larger monitors, 27 inches and above, typically have a built-in power supply, so they connect directly to the wall with a standard power cord. Newer models, especially in the CB and Predator X series, support USB-C power delivery. This provides both power and display signal through a single cable. Now that your monitor is properly connected to power, let's go through the actual power-on process. The power-on process depends on whether you're starting from a completely off state or waking the monitor from sleep mode. For a cold start, when the monitor is completely powered off, press and hold the power button for 1 to 2 seconds. You should see the power indicator light turn on. If your monitor is in sleep mode, a brief press of the power button or even moving your mouse should wake it up immediately. Acer's latest 2024 and 2025 models feature smart power management. These monitors automatically detect input signals and wake from sleep mode without any manual intervention. Remember, locate your power button, ensure proper power connection, and press the button for 1 to 2 seconds for a cold start. Modern Acer monitors make this process even easier with automatic wake features. When your Acer monitor powers on, it follows a specific hierarchy to detect input signals. Understanding this process helps ensure your display activates properly every time. Most Acer monitors from 2023 onwards have auto source switching enabled by default. This means your monitor automatically detects and switches to active input sources without manual intervention. If you're not getting a display, don't worry. Recent Acer support data shows that most issues can be resolved quickly with a systematic approach. Let's examine the most common solution, checking cable connections. The difference between DisplayPort and HDMI connections is important to understand for proper setup. If cable connections are secure, but you still have issues, double-check the power button location. This simple step resolves about 12% of remaining power-related problems. Acer's focus on simplified power management has dramatically improved the user experience. Setup times have been reduced from over 4 minutes in 2020 to just 2.3 minutes in 2024, making monitor activation faster and more reliable than ever.